If you have looked at the job description lately, you probably got confused. They mention 10 tools, 5 years of experience, and expect you to know everything. Let's clear one big lie. You don't need to be an expert to get start freelancing in web development. Many business today want someone who can build a clean working website, make changes quickly, be reliable and communicate clearly. That's it. You can do this with the tools like WordPress, Webflow, or any other CMS like Squarespace or Wix. These are enough to build real website and start earning. You don't need to be an expert on day one. You can simply start with HTML, CSS, some basic JavaScript, one builder like WordPress, Webflow, or Framer, and some knowledge of version controls like Git and GitHub. After this, you can simply move to Tailwind CSS, hosting websites on Netlify, Vercel, or Hostinger, and connecting your custom domain. Now the question is how to get your first project as a web developer. Don't worry, you don't need a degree, you don't need a job history. What you need is a real website in your portfolio. You can start by building a landing page for a product, a simple portfolio website, a one-page website for a friend or for a local shop, then use that to apply for small jobs on Upwork, People Per Hour, or on Fiverr. Now you have to learn by doing, not just by watching. Most people spend 6 months watching tutorial, so you don't need to do that. Watch one tutorial, then build something real with that knowledge. For example, learn how to build a nav bar and turn it into a complete homepage, learn WordPress basics and create a blog for a friend, and learn Tailwind CSS and clone a real world landing page. So learning by doing is the fastest path. Now, at the beginning, don't think about charging $500 or $1,000 for any project. Start with $50 or even $30, whatever helps you build your experience. But deliver it like a pro. You should communicate clearly, set a deadline, share progress, fix bugs even after delivery. That build trust and client remember you. That's how referral happens. So once you have built 3 to 5 websites, your confidence grows. At this point, you have proven to yourself that you can build. Now it's time to take things further. Create your own portfolio website. This is your digital resume, so keep it simple but clear. Show your work, include before, after shots, the challenge you resolved, and client feedback if possible. Raise your prices slowly. As you gain experience, your time becomes more valuable. Don't undervalue your work. Pick a niche like real estate, fitness coaches, local service business, etc. Learn advanced tools. Explore React, Next.js, animation, or even AI-based tools like Framer or ChatGPT plugins, depending on your client needs. Start offering maintenance plans. A lot of clients need monthly support. This gives you recurring income. Learn basic SEO and analytics. Clients love when you not only build a site but help them understand how it is performing. You're not just a coder now, you are a freelancer who solves real business problems. Remember, you don't need years of experience to begin. Start with small projects with consistency and the right mindset. You will be surprised how far you can go. Hope you like this video and I will see you in the next one.